Hello hacker, in this video I am going to show you how to install Kali Linux in our non-rooted Android phone with the help of Termux. So please watch full video without skipping any part. Without wasting our time, let's start our video. In your Termux, type apt update and apt upgrade. Then type apt install wget. I will provide these commands on my Telegram channel. My Telegram channel's link is in description box. Now type hack tools to start my tools for installing Kali Linux.
You need at least 10 GB storage and 2 GB internet data for installation of Kali Linux. Installation process will start it soon, depends on your internet speed, it will take time, keep patience, and after installation I will explain you next, so please don't skip this part, and also please like this video, subscribe my channel, and share this video to your Termux's friend. Also press bell icon for such a tricky video. Join my Telegram channel for its installation command.
Now, you can see that Kali Linux is successfully installed. These all are the Kali Linux running command with different methods. So, to start Kali Linux with GUI, follow my steps and try it in your Termux. Now you can see that Kali Linux Tiger VNC server is successfully started on port 5901 on localhost network. So open NetHunter app, its link in my Telegram channel. Now fill these details on your app here. Give your password that you have chosen in Termux. After that, tap on connect option to run Kali. Now, you can see, Kali machine is successfully started, without getting any error. I hope you are able to see small mouse cursor. For proof, I am showing its tools, and also, I will run commands in its terminal, so don't skip here.